Hello. So here we are back to Sherlock project. Let's see how to take notes for a given project. Okay, back to the familiar screen of main menu. So I'm skipping here. I'm skipping two stages forward to go back to go to three stages. In fact, three stages forward to go to taking notes for a given project. The reason why I'm doing it is some functionality is missing for option 2 to option um, 4. Okay. Now the text that you saw rolling on the screen was MongoDB. In fact, it was Cassandra, so you don't need to worry about that. Cassandra happens to be one of those NoSQL databases. Okay, fine. So let's see how to take a notes. How to take notes for a given project. So select 5. Now these are the projects that are present in the database as of this moment. Test G, Test 3, some other projects. There are two system-defined projects. When I say system-defined, they are actually Sherlock-defined projects. Let's try to add nodes to project call because that's what we have been dealing with so far. So let's select 6. Now what it does is it reads all the text that you have entered, and whenever you type in two equal symbols on a new line, and these symbols exist all by themselves. Okay, there is no text surrounding these two symbols. Okay, um, basically the new line has only those two symbols. The moment it sees those two symbols, uh, it kind of wraps up the exercise of taking notes. Okay, it finishes taking notes from you. It thinks that okay, you have entered all the notes that you are interested in, and that's it. Okay, so let's try to add notes here. Okay, my name is Paul Starrett. I'm, I'm a lawyer. I live in Sunnyvale. Okay, so let's add these two lines, and then in this third line, I'm going to say this. The moment I do that, it is asking, should I go ahead and add the notes to project call? So let's say yes, and then um, it is giving us a confirmation message. This is basically an object ID for MongoDB. Okay. Um, in future, they are going to be going into the log. As of now, I have put them to for my own sake of testing and all of that. So let's press any key. We are back to the main screen. Now I'm going to send this screen to background. Control Z, and then I'm going to switch to MongoDB and see if the notes has been added successfully. Use Sherlock. Switch to Sherlock, and then let's show the collections. Now collections are nothing but they are like tables. Okay, I'm sorry. They are like tables for MongoDB. So all the nodes for the projects they are present in project nodes table. Okay, so I'm going to say this db.project project nodes, and then I'm going to say fine. Okay, so the nodes that you see earlier, the first two nodes are basically they were present right from the beginning when I was testing the nodes taking capability of this Sherlock. So the ones that you should be interested in is the third line, which we have added just now. My name is Paul Starrett. I'm a lawyer, and so on and so forth. So that is what we have added just now. Now to see these nodes on the front end, you have to uh, use the browser object. Okay, either you have to use the browser object or use the mini Google. Okay, the search facility um, of Sherlock. Okay, the browser object is almost done. Search facility is we are almost there. Um, so those two things will be completed in about an hour, in about an hour or so. And I guess we can see expanded functionality along with the videos for those two functionalities. Okay, so this basically wraps up the note taking capability, and we can uh, we can see these nodes in various screens wherever it is relevant. For example, diff, you can um, I'm sorry, not diff, but looking at search, looking at browsing, and if you want to get project details for a given project and all of that. So wherever there is a relevancy for showing the notes, that's where we show this information. Okay, so this wraps up note taking capability.